Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Server 2025 edition, adequate RAM, CPU virtualization, and BIOS UEFI enabled. Once confirmed, enable Hyper-V role now. Use Server Manager for GUI or PowerShell. Install Windows feature name Hyper-V, include management tools, restart. You do this because management tools and services must be available before creating virtual switches or VMs. Make sure to plan host networking and storage locations now, since you will configure virtual switches next. This avoids rework and service interruptions later. Once the role is installed, you build networking and storage. You create an external virtual switch for VM connectivity or internal/private for isolated networks using Hyper-V Manager or new VM switch. Configure storage. Decide on local VHDX folders, SMB shares, or cluster shared volumes if clustered. This matters for performance and backups. If you have multiple NICs, set up NIC teaming and apply co-S policies to prioritize VM traffic. Make sure to test connectivity and storage throughput before provisioning production VMs. Now you create VMs. Choose Generation 2 when supported for UEFI and secure boot benefits, allocate memory and vCPUs, attach VHDX, and install the guest OS. Install Hyper-V integration services or ensure integration components are present so time sync and backups work. Enable production checkpoints selectively. Once VMs run, monitor host health and backups. If things go wrong, check Hyper-V Virtual Machine Management Service, review system and Hyper-V event logs, and verify virtual switch NIC bindings. Often a misbound NIC or disabled service.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.